cooker. I turn it on, pull the lid off, and as it's heating up, we're gonna add 1 stick of butter. All right, now that butter's melted down, y'all, we're gonna add 2 pounds of smoked sausage. Now we're going in there with 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped bell pepper. Get in there, B, show them down in there. Look how pretty that looks, y'all. That sausage starting to brown down. Got them onions and bell peppers in there now. Oh man, we're going in here with a little apple juice. That's right, y'all, apple juice. So, it's full. We're gonna drop down a little apple juice in there like that. And we're just covering the sausage with it. About that much. I don't know how much that is, probably about a cup and a half of apple juice. Now what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna go in there with our potatoes and our carrots. Pick that up, that's some little golden potatoes and carrots. Dropping them down in there like that. Get that down in there. And then we're gonna go in there with some of these candy jalapenos right here. Oh man, look at that, y'all. Them Lafitte boys gonna go crazy over this, ain't they? Drop them jalapenos in there like that. B, what do you think? Some of this juice? Should I put some of this juice in there, B? Some of that juice like that. Ooh, wee, man. All right, then we're gonna come back. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of that pepper. You know I love that pepper. Drop that pepper in there like that. B hollering at me, stop, Daddy, stop, Daddy. And we're going in there with that Southern boys love. Oh, look at that color going on. Brandy hollering at me, stop, Daddy, stop. Going in there with some of that pork, some garlic. Drop a little garlic in there. Boom, 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 like that. Now we're gonna go, let's get that mixed around right here. Oh, show them the inside, B. Oh, look at that, y'all. Ooh, wee, boy. Man, that's gonna be some goodness. Right there. Now we're gonna take, y'all, we got this boudin right here. And we're just gonna drop that boudin right on the top. Like that. Want that boudin right on the top. B, that's almost a pot full right there, ain't it? What do you think? A little more Southern boys? On that down like that, B? Now what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna let it just simmer cook for about 10-15 minutes, and we're gonna check it and see if the potatoes are done. Once the potatoes get done, it'll be awesome time to eat right here. Can cooker, y'all, check it out. All right, y'all, we're taking some of that boudin out of there. That boudin, y'all, this thing here really cooks really fast. I mean, this here's been in there for about 10 minutes, this boudin has, and you can see, B, it's already cooking down quick. All right, y'all, here we go, putting that lid back on it after we got that boudin out of there, and we're gonna get our closed back up. There you go. All right, let's give this here a check, Brandy. Get this lid opened up. Ow, ooh, oh, hot, like that. Oh my goodness, look down in there, B. Huh? Oh yeah, them potatoes are falling apart now. Southern boy spoon. Come in here. Oh, dump that right there. Like that. There we go, right there. I'm gonna reach right here, B. Get me a piece of that boudin right there. Got me some of that boudin that we cooked earlier. Man, look how pretty that is right there, huh? You want them potatoes? Man, it's got that little sweet taste to it from that apple juice and everything. Try one of them little sausages. So good. Piece of that carrot. Golly. Got bell pepper. Some jalapenos. Right there. Look at that, baby. Dang, that's good. Look at that.